Alright guys, we're going to do a little video here. It's Anthony, your Super Service. This is Chris's truck. We put a salvage engine in this truck. Hang on a second. Okay, we put a salvage engine in this truck. Now, granted, he's keeping it kind of clean. He's got some miles on it. There you go. I know a lot of you will say that's normal, that's bull. I mean, no. That's not normal. I mean, it's normal for a 6.4, I guess you could say, because, you know, they're real hard with blow-by and engines and cylinders and pistons and rings and, you know, but that right there, This engine is still under warranty. So, underneath. Let's get underneath here. Let me turn the light on. All that oil. Now, granted, I replaced all the exhaust manifold bolts. Because it had a couple of broken bolts inside, but it is, I would not call this an oil leak, because Midway does not cover oil leaks. This is a combustion compression issue, a cylinder issue. There's oil coming out of the exhaust, out of the heads. So honestly, I mean, the truck needs honed. I mean, it needs rings, you know, it needs rings and it needs cylinders. That sucks, but I mean, honestly, you just can't sell 6.4 freaking engines and put a warranty on them. Not used, because I mean, it's just tough. This one has a warranty on it, and it needs to be used. We need to use the warranty. I mean, that's bad. Look at that. Honestly, guys. Now, what I've got inside is a fresh Ford reman, and we can see what kind of blow-by that one has. You know, it's going to have a little blow-by, but that's a little worn. I mean, that's yeah, that's a bit much. I mean, we can't have unhappy customers, because, you know, they paid the price for the engine and cylinders. Freaking got oil. I turned the light on. Oh, I got the light on. It's just I mean, it's just blow by. It's got too much excessive blow by. You know, it's only been in for 4 months, if that, and it had blow-by from the very first day. And if you guys remember, I have a video where let me go outside. I have a video where I actually poured the exhaust manifold, poured a bunch of oil out of the exhaust manifold, which, granted, if it was a rollover truck, granted, but, you know, like this one right here, we did not build this one either. This is a Ford reman engine. Yeah, so that's tough. That's a tough gig, and honestly, I think we're gonna have to do something with that warranty. I mean, and maybe you could just cash him out. I don't know. Yeah, because damn, sucks. All right, guys, that's it. Have a good day.